It is time to open our daily boxes for the Stitch Supply Company. Hey, I'm Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group, where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and build friendships without even leaving your home. You are invited to join me there if you are interested. Check the link in the description. All right, we are going to open this every day, and you're going to see what's inside and what is included. Let's check it out. Day 8. Clips. I'm going to say clips. Clips, clips, clips. Do you know the sound of clips? I don't know. Do I really know it? I don't know. Yes, I do, but I was not expecting them to be mega clips. These are fabulous. Do you use mega clips? I'm going to have to figure out where I would use them. Are they really good for binding? Let me know in the comments. Because I do love clips. I use them all the time when I don't want to stab my fingers. But I don't know. I don't have any experience with the large ones, so enlighten me. What do you use these for? But yeah, can you hear it? Clips, that's the sound clips make.